Hello and welcome to another video of Coding Academy. In this video, I will take you through the installation process of Atom Text Editor. You will be able to download and install it on your macOS. So if you're ready, then let's get it started. Open your web browser. So I'm using Safari, and in the search bar, you have to type atom.io. I've put the link in the description box below. You can find it down there. And hit enter. So it will directly take you to the homepage of Atom Text Editor where you can download the package. So you can see the navbar right there, and here you can see macOS for macOS 10.10 or later versions. Okay, so let's click the download button, and so it's asking me if I want to allow the downloads on Atom. Click allow, and it's processing and downloading the files in the download section. It's a zip file and might take a bit longer to download. So as you can see here, everything you would expect Atom. So it's a cross-platform editing, which means you can use it on other operating systems like macOS as well as Windows and Linux. So as you can see here, it's still downloading. So the file is downloaded and ready for us to open. Let's double click and minimize the web browser. The Atom Text Editor is verifying, and once its verification is completed, we will be able to access it. This message says that this app is downloaded from the internet and asking me if I'm sure to open. Let's click yes, and the Atom is open, and you can see the add folder, and if you have any existing projects or folders, you can reopen your project. For the moment, let's just minimize it, and you can change the HTML to C language or even plain text. Let's change it back to HTML and write some HTML in here. So let's change the title to tutorial, and in the body let's write hello world. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.